There are two types of fear, instinctive and conditioned. दो प्रकार का भय होता है. एक जो वृत्तियों के साथ आता है, मनुष्य के जन्म के साथ ही आता है. दूसरा जो मनुष्य अपने जीवन में बनाता है, जिसको अर्जित करता है, इकट्ठा करता है. So the fear of loss of life of one's own is instinctive fear. अपने मनुष्य को जीवन से प्रेम होता है, that's the root instinctive fear. मूल जो फियर भय है वो वही है, क्योंकि कोई भी मरना नहीं चाहता. Nobody wants to die. So nature has made it that way. प्रकृति ने इसको इसलिए बनाया ताकि प्रकृति चलती रहे. So nature keeps on going. So what happens if outside suddenly we hear loud blast? Everybody will shake. Doesn't matter how enlightened you are. कोई भी हो, ऐसे blast होगा, you'll suddenly tremble for a moment. That's nature's way of preparing. Oh, maybe there's a threat. Let's go, run. That's instinctive fear, right? जैसे even on Deepavali, for example, there are crackers and all those fireworks going on. Try keeping your eyes open when there's a little, it's going off. I don't know what we should, a little bomb or whatever. You cannot keep your eyes open. For a moment, when it'll burst, the cracker, your eyes will blink, no matter who you are. And that's instinctive fear. And there is nothing to be afraid of instinctive fear. So, in the woods, जब मैं हिमालय के जंगल में था, तो जब मैं सारा दिन मेडिटेट करता था, तो कई बार रात को मैं बाहर निकलता था. I used to step out in the middle of the night. And when I used to meditate all night, then I didn't have that chance, of course. And sometimes 2 a.m., 3 a.m., I would step out of my hut. मैं अपनी कुटिया से बाहर निकल जाता था. Now that place was infested with wild bear. Well, bear, what bear are wild? तो बहुत सारे भालू थे वहाँ पर. And all sorts of other animals. The villagers also said there were tigers there. And bear marks I saw many times, वो तो बहुत बार दिखते थे. And other animals were there, boars, wild boars in particular. So I used to go out, and all these deer and stags were also there, and they would make a very loud noise, like really loud noise as soon as I would step out. For a moment I would go, like this. It was instinctive fear. And then I would just step out completely, say, yeah, please welcome everybody. It was like that. आ जाओ, जितने भी जंगली जानवर हैं, आ जाओ. Right? So the way to overcome instinctive fear is to become aware of where you are. And then ask yourself, अगर मेरी मृत्यु लिखी है, if I'm destined to die at a certain place, at a certain time, then that's how it's going to happen. That's how it's going to happen. Nobody can make it happen at a certain time. जो the lifespan, जो मृत्यु जहाँ लिखी है वहीं पर होनी है. So that's instinctive fear. There's a little story about death. I think I used it in one of my discourses earlier. पहले बहुत बार मैंने लिखी है, एक आधी बार लिखी होगी. There was a really, really bright kid. एक बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा था, और उसके गुरु ने उसको ज्ञान देना शुरू किया. His guru started teaching him, and his guru said, this child can make a huge difference to the world. ये समस्त विश्व को बहुत कुछ दे सकता है. तो उसकी जन्मपत्री उसने देखनी शुरू की. जन्मपत्री, he saw his horoscope. He studied his horoscope and found that this child is actually going to die at the age of 13. ये बालक जो है 13 वर्ष की आयु में इसकी मृत्यु लिखी हुई है. And Guru thought, I must save this kid. मुझे इस बच्चे को बचाना है जैसे भी करके. And he was a learned sage, ऋषि था. तो तप के शक्ति पर, तप के बल पर, on the basis of his austerity penance, he took the child with him all the way to Brahma in his body. ब्रह्मा के पास पहुंच गए. And he said to Brahma, कि आपने इसकी इतनी अवधि जीवन की क्यों लिखी है? Why have you only given him 13 years? Please extend it, make it 80. And Brahma said कि मेरा काम तो बनाना है, my job is to create. I don't set the lifespan. मैं अवधि नहीं तय करता. That's Vishnu's job. ये कार्य विष्णु का है, इसलिए विष्णु के पास जाओ. Go to Vishnu. But you have come this far. You are a tapasvi, so I will join you. So ब्रह्मा उनके साथ हो लेते हैं, विष्णु के पास चले जाते हैं. Now there is Guru, Brahma and the disciple. गुरु, ब्रह्मा और शिष्य तीनों मिलकर विष्णु के पास चले जाते हैं. विष्णु भगवान के पास जाते हैं. Goes Lord Vishnu and they tell him, this is what we are going through and we want you to extend his life. इसके जीवन का काल बढ़ा दो. Lord says, look, my job is to sustain. Destruction is Shiva's job. They also have departments. So मेरा काम चलाने का है, मारने का नहीं. इसलिए we have to go to Shiva. हमको शिव के पास जाना होगा. But I'll join you guys. तो ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, Guru and Shishya, Brahma, Vishnu, disciple and the Guru, they all go to Shiva. Now they go to Shiva and Shiva says, listen, I'm a yogi. It's not like I have special something against this person to take him at the age of 13. मैं तो योगी हूँ, मेरा इसके विरुद्ध थोड़े ना कुछ ऐसा भाव है. I don't control this. I simply execute. मैं तो जिसकी जो अवधि लिखी है उसको तय करता हूँ. उसके लिए धर्मराज के पास जाना होगा. We'll have to go to Dharmaraj, to the one, the Yama, who controls death. Because I won't be visiting him. Death will be visiting him when he is going to be 13. जब 13 वर्ष का हो जाएगा, मैं नहीं, काल जाएगा इसके पास. तो चला जाता है. तो ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, गुरु, शिष्य, तीनों, पांचों, the Trinity, Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva, Guru and disciple, all five go to Dharmaraj. As soon as they go to Dharmaraj, Dharmaraj says, okay, I'll have to check his account. I don't really know what's going on. What's written in his account? मुझे इसका खाता चेक करना पड़ेगा. He summons Chitragupta, the record keeper there. तो चित्रगुप्त को बुलाया जाता है. चित्रगुप्त अपनी पुस्तक लेके आते हैं. अब तो शायद कंप्यूटराइज्ड डेटाबेस है वहाँ पे, but at that time तो चित्रगुप्त पन्ने पलटते हैं. इतने में क्या है, they reach that page where his account is of life. He starts to read, and at that moment the child turns 13 and dies. उस क्षण उसकी आयु 13 वर्ष की हो जाती है और उसकी मृत्यु हो जाती है. And they are thinking, how come everybody is here, the gods are here, but yet this child is no more. And then Chitragupta is reading the record. It says, this child is beyond death. ये बच्चा जो है मृत्यु से परे है. The only way this child will ever die, केवल एक ही मार्ग है जिससे इस बालक की मृत्यु होगी, और वो तब है जब ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, इसके गुरु, धर्मराज, चित्रगुप्त सब एक जगह एकत्रित होकर इसके मृत्यु के बारे में बात करेंगे. When Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, Dharmaraj, his own guru, will gather in one place and will talk about his death, that's the only time death will be able to visit this person. So Guru knew through astrology, and he wanted to prevent it, the future, and he became the cause of it. अगर वो अपना दिमाग ना लगाता, ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान ना बनता, तो ठीक रहता बच्चा. So this is instinctive fear, fear of loss of life. Then you have conditioned fear. Conditioned fear वो भय होता है जो समाज ने आपको सिखाया है. This is the fear your parents have instilled in you. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू मस्ट गेट मैरिड, तुम्हारा विवाह होना चाहिए. Why? No, why? Seriously, because you need somebody to look after you. If there is nobody to look after you, अगर तुम्हारे जीवन में कोई नहीं है तुम्हारा ध्यान रखने वाला, तो तुम अकेले घूमोगे संसार में. You will be on your own and life will be tragic. You must have children. तुम्हारे संतान जरूर होने चाहिए, because कोई ना कोई होना चाहिए जो तुम्हारा ध्यान रख सके बुढ़ापे में. ये भय है. कौन किसका ध्यान रखने वाला क्या पता है? Who can guarantee? But that is the desire, conditioned fear. We think, अगर मुझे fear हो, if I am afraid of cold, I will naturally clothe myself. मुझे ठंड ना लगे. Similarly, if I am afraid of living a certain life, I will do everything to avoid it. And that's conditioned fear. Fear that is intentionally created. For example, fear that you should never be out of money. पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. हो जाएगा शायद, maybe something will happen, but you know, life moves on. Fear that you should never revolt against God. भगवान नाराज हो जाएंगे. God will get angry on you. Today I was talking to somebody and who said, my Kul Devi, like the god that's coming in the lineage, will she get upset with me? Is she upset with me? And I said, please leave such a god. ऐसे भगवान को छोड़ दो जो आपके साथ upset हो जाएगा. Is that a god's job to get upset? It's what humans do. They'll get mad at you when you don't go their way. अगर भगवान ऐसा हो जाए, नाराज हो गया, भाई भगवान बोलो ऊपर ही बैठो प्लीज, हम नीचे अपना देख लेंगे कार्यक्रम. You stay where you are, I'll look after myself. This is a fear instilled by religion, not by God. It's a conditioned fear. Religion will make you believe, धर्म आपको ये बताएगा, ऐसा नहीं किया तो भगवान नाराज हो जाएंगे. कमाल है, भगवान ना हो गया, किराने की दुकान हो गई. It's not a provision store that you have to check out a certain way or the alarm will go off. That's conditioned fear. Conditioned fear is created by society and religion. It's a fear we don't know. जब हम पैदा होते हैं, ये भय हमको पता नहीं होता. It's a fear we are taught. ये भय हमको सिखाया जाता है.